Do you want fresh glowing skin on a budget? Let's make a simple face mist using rose water and aloe vera. In a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix the aloe vera and rose water until well combined. Add it into a clean spray bottle. Spray on your face after cleansing or whenever you need a fresh glow. It hydrates, calms the skin, and gives a natural glow. Use daily and store in the fridge. Do not forget to share this video, like this video, and subscribe to this channel.